We are
Tasty makers.
And we are testing testies. And we're tasting taste.
And we are testing tasty.
Today we used the meringue recipe from Tasty on YouTube. We have created the perfect meringue.
How? What is it? What are we doing?
We're testing tasties.
Oh, tasties.
Here we go. Meringue test number 1. Cheers. Tastes great.
Yeah. It's sugary.
It's eggy.
Airy.
Our video wouldn't be complete if it was only 2 minutes long of us eating meringues like this. So, we're gonna take this to the next level. Meringue. I will be choosing Jif peanut butter because choosy moms choose Jif.
And I'm gonna be using this strawberry jam.
I'm gonna add it to the bottom. Right?
Okay.
Maybe I should put some jelly on it made of peanut butter and jelly meringue. Cheers, Chris.
Cheers.
Honestly?
Dang, that's good. Here we go. Ready?
Chris has left me. Most of the time when I'm alone, I think about things. Such as, what would it be like if I had gills? Could I swim? Could I breathe underwater? How do gills work? And then I think, what if I had gills and I had wings? I could fly and swim. What if I could run really fast?
I'm back.
With a disgusting amount of ingredients.
So now, you got ketchup, mayonnaise, sriracha, ranch.
Well, just when I thought meringues couldn't get any better, Chris has taken it to the next level.
Ranch.
Meringue, tasty meringue with ranch dressing.
3,
2, 1. Oh God!
I have a high tolerance.
Oh
no! Oh, that was one of the worst things I've ever had in my life.
Oh God!
Immediately was bad.
All right, next dressing.
Ketchup. Ketchup. Oh, it's still bad. But it definitely...
It's not like throw up bad.
It was like ranch. I almost puked. And I have a really strong stomach. I am Filipino. Anybody like didn't go on? Comment down below. Mayonnaise.
On to the mayonnaise. Ew, I get out. It's so bad. It's disgusting. Last one.
Sriracha.
What's the final one, Chris?
Expired sriracha.
Expired sriracha. In stores soon.
Expired sriracha.
Oh God. Everything's disgusting. I don't want to play. You're watering.
Strawberry jam.
Oh, Chris, look at my eyes, man. He's crying.
All right. I wouldn't do this. Now, the meringues itself absolutely make it. I'll put a link down below for these meringues.
How to make them.
I do not suggest to use the 4 condiments that we did use.
So, guys, don't forget to subscribe below, or else I'll keep crying here. Don't forget to give this video an up thumb. Ring the bell so you know when we're posting new videos. And comment down below what tasty video you want us to review next.
And if you're gonna make anything, make it tasty.
Deuces.